Creating music with AI has never been easier, but not every platform offers the same level of control. In this video, we're taking an honest look at Ace Studio, an all-in-one AI music production platform designed for songwriters, producers, and creators who want to generate professional quality vocals and music with the help of artificial intelligence. Unlike simple AI music generators that create an entire song from a single prompt, Ace Studio gives users much more creative control. The platform allows you to turn MIDI and lyrics into realistic singing vocals using more than 140 royalty-free AI voices across multiple languages. You can adjust pitch, timing, vibrato, expression, and other vocal details, making the final performance sound much more natural. Beyond AI vocals, Ace Studio also includes AI instruments, voice cloning, voice changing, a stem splitter, vocal to MIDI conversion, and generative music tools. Everything is combined into a single workspace, making it useful for building complete music projects without switching between multiple applications. It also integrates with digital audio workstations through its plugin, allowing producers to fit AI-generated vocals directly into their existing workflow. One of the biggest advantages of Ace Studio is the amount of control it gives musicians. Instead of relying entirely on AI decisions, you can edit nearly every aspect of the vocal performance. This makes it suitable not only for demos, but also for commercial music production. Voice cloning is another standout feature, allowing creators to train custom AI voices for their own projects. Now let's talk about pricing. Ace Studio offers two main subscription plans. The Artist plan starts at $16.58 per month when billed annually and includes unlimited AI vocal and instrument generation, one custom vocal synth slot, one voice changer slot, more than 140 AI voices, over 18 AI instruments, and approximately 330 minutes of generative kits each month. The Artist Pro plan costs $22 per month when billed annually and increases the limits to 5 vocal synth slots, 10 voice changer slots, and around 660 generative kit minutes per month. Enterprise plans are also available for larger teams, and the platform includes a rent-to-own option that converts into a lifetime license after 2 years of continuous subscription. Of course, there are a few downsides. New users may need some time to learn the interface, especially if they have little experience with MIDI editing. Some advanced AI features also rely on monthly credits, so heavy users may eventually need a higher tier plan. Overall, Ace Studio is one of the most complete AI music production platforms available in 2026. If you're looking for realistic AI vocals, powerful editing tools, and an all-in-one workspace for music creation, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're only looking for one-click song generation with minimal editing, the learning curve may be more than you need.